Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the recovery key and getting administrative access. This is critical because BitLocker will not decrypt without it. Once you have the Microsoft account key or the printed /USB copy, reboot into the BIOS to confirm disk mode, OSI versus RAID, and enable USB boot if needed. Make sure the system is plugged in and on a reliable network so the account sign-in can verify keys. Then restart into the Windows recovery environment to begin the next steps. Once in the recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot and navigate to advanced options. Use command prompt when you need precise control. You will run Manage BDE Unlock X, recovery password your key, to unlock the encrypted volume, where X is the drive letter shown by disk part. This works when the GUI option is unavailable. If unlock succeeds, use Manage BDE Protectors Remove X. Type recovery password only if you plan to reconfigure protectors. Make sure to record any new protector ID for future access. After unlocking, boot into Windows and immediately suspend BitLocker if you will change firmware or disk settings. This prevents new lockouts. Then run chkdsk and SFC to repair any file system issues that caused recovery prompts, and back up critical files right away. If the wrong key or unlock failure persists, go back to BIOS to verify TPM is enabled and disk mode matches Windows configuration, and confirm you use the exact recovery password. If TPM shows errors, clear and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.